I am making a quiche this afternoon. This one is called an Antipasto Quiche. I may not be pronouncing that correctly, but that is as close as I can come. Okay, so I have a pie crust that I have put into a quiche pan, and I baked it about 5 minutes. I am preheating my oven to 375 degrees. And the first thing I'm going to do is grate 1 cup of provolone cheese and put it in the bottom of the pie shell. So here is 1 cup of grated provolone cheese that I put into the bottom of the quiche pan. Now I'm going to put my 4 eggs, break them into a bowl. And I'm going to whisk them. Now I'm going to add 1½ cups of half and half. And I'm going to whisk in the half and half into the eggs. Now I'm going to take about 2 ounces. Well, the recipe calls for 2 ounces, and I think my package is just 1½ ounces of prosciutto. And I'm going to dice that. I can get it out of the package. Actually, what I got is a prosciutto snack that has cheese, provolone cheese. So I'm going to add this to my egg and half and half mixture. Now I need about 1 tablespoon of chopped black olives. And I'm going to add that to my egg mixture. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon, or pardon me, 1½ tablespoons of roasted red bell peppers. I need to drain these just a little bit. That should be enough. Now I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of salt. Not quite half a teaspoon. And about 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. Now I'm going to stir that up and put it into my pie shell. I'm going to put that into the 375-degree oven and bake it for about half an hour. I'll start checking it at 25 minutes. And we'll see how it looks. Oh man, doesn't this look good? Now I just have to taste this. It's really beautiful, and it's done in about 35 minutes. I probably should let it sit a little while. Oh my, what a flavor. You're gonna love this. Thanks for stopping by.